Have you ever needed your IP address but didn't know where to find it? Whether you are troubleshooting your network, setting up a server, or just curious, knowing your IP can really come in handy. Hey everyone, and welcome to TechVole, your quick stop channel for simple tech tips that actually help. Today, I'll show you 2 easy ways to find both your local and public IP addresses using tools you already have. Let's get into it. First up, let's find your local IP address. This is the address your device used inside your local network, like at home or work. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. In the windows that appears, type ipconfig and hit enter. You'll see some networking info. Look for IPv4 address. That's your local internal IP. It often looks like 192.168.x.x or 10.0.x.x. This address is private, used only between your device and your router. It's not exposed to the internet, but it's essential when setting up things like file sharing or port forwarding. Next, let's find your public IP address, the one the internet sees. Just open any browser and go to whatismyip.com. Right at the top, the site shows your external IP address, something like this. This IP is assigned to you by your internet provider and is used to identify your connection across the web. It can change from time to time unless you have a static IP, which most home users don't. So remember, your local IP stays inside your network. Your public IP is what websites or services see online. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to find your IP address in under 2 minutes. Whether you are fixing a network issue or just getting curious, now you know what's what. If this helps you out, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to TechVole for more tutorials on smart tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.